Hey, this 101?
Ozone. This is the best synthetic lace wig I ever seen in my life. Even though I am going to have to tweeze it to fit this model because she has like a low hairline on the sides and she has that peak in the middle. So what I'm going to do is, like I've done on other videos, I'm going to pull that lace all the way down and we're going to customize it to fit her hairline. So look at this lace, guys. The knots are so small. I really love this synthetic wig. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and mimic her hairline. I've done this on previous videos. You got to go back and watch it. The thing about the synthetic wigs, guys, is when you do try to tweeze it, it's not that easy to tweeze. Okay, so I'm gonna start tweezing. I'm tweezing from left to right. I'm not tweezing going back because it's just easier for the hairs to come out. And I just kind of like started it on her and I'm gonna finish it on the mannequin so I can really see. Like I said, you really got to take your time because the hairs are going to be hard to come out. So it may take you a little longer than normal when it comes to tweezing a synthetic wig. If you haven't already, go back and watch my customization videos with me tweezing and bleaching. You can see here I did one side and I did the middle, and you can compare it over here. It is a little fuller. So I'm going to go ahead and tweeze this area to match the other side. All right, so I'm not going to tweeze going back like I normally would. I'm going to go to the side. And I've showed you guys this on my previous tweezing customization videos. Now, I feel like more hair is going to come out, and I am going to need that, especially with the fact that, like I said, this is hard to tweeze out. So when I tweeze from left to right, the hairs come out a whole lot easier. Once I have removed what I need to take out, then I can tweeze going back, and you see me do that as well, and that gives like a natural hairline look when you do that. This is the end result. Look at it, baby. This looks good. I've never seen a synthetic wig look this good. Okay, so I'm not gonna braid her. I'm gonna smooth her edges back using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and I'm going to use my dryer and I'm gonna smooth her edges out, and you'll see how the liquid gold actually like lays her hair back. I'm using quite a bit. I'm not gonna braid. She's a little tender-headed, so I didn't want to try to braid it, and I'm not the best braider, so I didn't want to be pulling on her hair too tight. So since her hair was short, I felt like it would be fine to mold the front back, and then I'm going to put a stocking cap on it. Okay, so she had a little hair coming out onto her face, which is something she said that I could go ahead and take this off just so that, you know, it would not show up so dark with the colored hair that I'm putting on. I'm doing a basic ball cap. You see me guys do this before. I'm going to be using my liquid gold as previous videos that I've done this. I really like doing this, guys, because I'm not wasting my glue. I never really use glue on my caps, but this really holds it down. Okay, so this is what it looks like on her. I'm going in, I'm checking it out to make sure it's lined up good. It looks pretty good. I like it. I'm also going to be cutting the lace off before I apply it. That's how I do mine. I generally do this, especially with glue, because I don't like to have leftover lace, excess lace, or either excess glue in front of my lace. This way I know exactly where to put the product. Okay, so I'm going to cut the front of the lace. I'm just using some stork scissors and I'm going in and out. I didn't have my peeking shears or zigzag shears, which you've seen me use in previous videos. So I'm just going to not cut it straight. I feel like it looks more natural that way. Okay, so I feel like it matches her hairline. Now I'm gonna go in with my knot eraser. It comes in dark brown, medium brown, brown, and light brown. I'll link in the description box where you can purchase. I really like how it doesn't carry a lot of red tones and it matched really well with her skin. I used brown on her. Okay, so I noticed there was a little padding in here for comfort. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that makeup and I'm just going to go in and part it and add the makeup on top. Okay guys, don't sleep on this lace jelly. You can actually use the lace jelly on the skin and on top of the unit to get a flawless look. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm putting down one layer. The wig is actually a glueless wig, so it kind of fits her, like it hugs at her. So what we're wanting to do is use the lace jelly to hold it and to mold on top to give it a seamless look.
Hey, 101, draw now.
Make sure you blow dry it completely, guys. You can use warm air on the non-glueless products. Dry it completely and then tie it down. Okay, so I decided to use a razor because I noticed when you cut synthetic hair straight across, it does not look good. But the razor was getting kind of caught up, so I did a little slither cutting, which when you cut against the grain of the cuticle of the hair to give it a jagged or a textured look. You can see me doing that here in the video. And it is doing better with the shears. So it was kind of tangling when I was trying to do it with the actual razor comb. Okay, so I wanted to try these because I remember doing it with the curling iron. I was not happy. So these right here, they get warm, and then I feel like it's going to help lock in the curl. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to actually just put these curls in, and I'm going to get her ready for her finished look.
Hey, 101, draw girl.
Okay, look at Auntie. I'm a whole MUA, baby. Look at me. She did not know. I did not know what I'm doing, but she sat there, baby, and that built up my confidence, and I hooked her up. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe below.